The entire nation is now aware of 5 members of the same family drowning at the Bhushi Dam in Lonavala. But what we also know is that because it is monsoon in Maharashtra, people from across the nation gather at these spots, especially in Maharashtra, where amazing such views of hill stations as well as places like Khandala, Lonavala and Pavnagarh, where people usually go with their family as well as friends to enjoy the majestic nature. But what remains a question here is, why is the authorities as well as their other subsidiaries not in action with regards to the safety of people travelling to such places where these incidents occur? If we talk about this particular incident which happened in afternoon, whereas some time before it was a dry land, whereas later it turned out to be a storm as well as a flood-like situation at that particular place in the video which is surfacing online, where it could be seen that the entire family was stuck on a rock, and because of them losing control, they swept away into that hushy water. And in this regard, it is now the authorities who have swung into action, and we see that accordingly action has been taken and prohibitory measures have been released. To give you a detailed note of it, it reads that from the 2nd of July to the 31st of July, not more than 5 people can gather at these particular hill stations as well as these particular dams where people usually come in mini buses as well as large buses with their colleagues or friends or family members. It also reads that the shops which are situated on the outskirts of the roads of these dams, they will now be demolished and removed from there so that the road widens for people to walk safely on that particular point, so that they do not have to take the narrow roads or hills towards the other side which is not accessible and which can cause injury or harm to them. It is also the authorities who have said that apart from people gathering in huge numbers, it is also advised to them that when the situation or we can say the weather condition gets worse, or if it's an orange or an yellow alert for the people due to rain, they must avoid travelling to such places. But yet, is it really enough for people to understand these prohibitory measures? Or is it also important to put up such placards or signboards or warning boards to these roads where people can at least read and find out that they are not supposed to go to these places? If we talk about the data, especially these drowning incidents, every year approximately more than 68,000 people drown in such situation, and it is called as incumbency as also because it is unwilling death that people get. And aim is this: Maharashtra stands third in this data, the third state where the maximum number of drowning cases occur. But what here remains to be seen, that what are the authorities doing with regards to these data? How should these numbers be decreased? I understand that it is the people's foolishness or carelessness that they go to such places, but also is it not the responsibility of the authorities to ensure that proper security guards or lifeguards or signboards at least must be put up so that people avoid going to such places and taking those roads? And at this point, it is the Pune incident where in Lonavala at the Bhushi Dam, 5 members from Pune, they did head on to this particular site where Bhushi Dam is not unknown to such incidents. It has been very evident and seen that earlier as well, if we find out, and we did try to calculate the data of drowning incidents at the Bhushi Dam, the number crosses 40, where more than 40 people have lost their lives at the Bhushi Dam since 2017. And this data has been provided and also approved by the authorities, where they did say that yes, such incidents have been more, especially at these dams, which are of course a sight as well as a good view for people's eye, but also is it not costing human life? At present, if we talk about this matter, after which not only the Pune as well as the Lonavala incident, but it is also the Tamini Ghat where we saw that a diver as well as a trek leader who went there with 15 of his friends was very well aware of how to swim. But in the video which was recorded by his 10-year-old daughter, it could be seen that he did try and dive into the water, but he was not able to come out, and because of the heavy flow of water, he eventually lost his life. And aim is this: more such incidents can come into the light if it is not stopped now and action is not taken now by the authorities. We see that now that monsoon has arrived in Maharashtra, there are going to be many such incidents. But what remains a wait and watch here is how and when does the number decrease. And aim is this: it is now the Pune family who did suffer in this, and a 4-year-old kid, a 9-year-old girl and a 13-year-old child lost their lives, along with a 37-year-old female as well as other members who were injured yet safe. And at present, 5 people have lost their life, one at Tamini Ghat and also 2 other at a dam where they did not imagine but did go on a track and eventually lost their life. And henceforth, we too request all the people who go to such places to ensure that they do take care of themselves and also avoid such areas which is risky as well as hilly, and these trecky areas, a proper GPS or a map should be carried so that the way is not lost, and later especially at these stones and trek-like regions where it is usually the water flow that first comes to these areas and where people are unable to understand what happened, and because of increased flow of water, they are unable to come out of that. And henceforth, the Pune as well as such ghats as well as hill stations which are situated in Maharashtra especially needs to be taken care of, and also people, especially now that guidelines have been given over to them until the 31st of July, where they will not be going to such places with more than 5 in number, and also they have to avoid such regions where they are unaware of, and if the guard says that they are not supposed to, it means that they are not supposed to take that route. With video journalist Pranit, Ms. Sujata Dwivedi for NDTV 24/7.